Hello everyone, this is my review of the Lutron Motion Sensor Light Switch. It's a pretty good light switch. You can turn it on and off by pressing the button here. It clicks on, it clicks off, so you can do it manually if you need to. You get the motion sensor right here. Now let me show you it operating with motion. As you can see, I entered the room here and it turned on. I like this switch. It's a nice hands-free way of entering the room and having the light come on when you need it. And when you leave, you can set it to turn off in 1, 5, 15, 30 minutes. So it's pretty